And as you see here that the command remained highlighted, there's an option up here called toggle continuous command recall. If you have that off, the command will only work once, okay? And then it'll turn off. If you have this on, you can use it multiple times. Okay, so basically I was just going to get you to do some basic trimming and calculating. And the one neat thing about trim function that I really like, actually, above Rhino, is that when you're trimming, you don't really have to select anything but what you want to trim. So for instance, we're just going to pick something and it'll just trim it. Okay. You may, if you do an undo here, let's undo that. You can do that also. Just pick this side or this side here, you can trim that away. Now, one thing about that is the curves have to be on the same plane here. Obviously, if they're not on the same plane, they won't trim, okay? So once you get some geometry ready here, let's go ahead and trim that out.